Welcome dear students, myself Mrs. Sangeeta Raut, mathematics teacher from AVS Vidya Mandir, Virar. Today I welcome you all in 9th standard. We are going to learn mathematics 2 and I am going to start our first chapter from mathematics 2. It is basic concepts in geometry. Here in mathematics 2, we are going to learn geometry and its basic concepts. First of all, we are going to learn the meaning of the word geometry. Geo and metria, these two are Greek words, and from these Greek words, geo means earth and metria means measuring, and that's why the meaning of the word geometry is measuring the earth. At ancient time, when the peoples are having the need of measurement of earth, at that time this branch of mathematics is developed. Now we are going to learn basic concepts in geometry. A point. Here I am going to explain you. If I told you that tell me the definition of number, we are not able to define number. Like that, we are not able to define a point, a line and a plane, and therefore a point, line and plane are said to be basic concepts in geometry. A line, it is infinite at its both ends. A plane, it is infinite at all the four ends. In this chapter, first of all, we are going to learn the number line and its coordinates. Now observe the figure of the number line on blackboard. I am going to draw a number line on blackboard. Please observe the figure of that number line. I have selected 1 unit. Now here, suppose this is a point O. The coordinate of this point is 0. Suppose there are another 2-3 numbers on this number line. This is -1, this is -2, this one is -3. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Suppose these points are P, Q, R, S, A, B, C and D. The coordinate of this is -4. Now you are well known about this number line. This unit is constant between any two points. Now here each number is associated with a point, and suppose I have told you that this number associated with point B is -2 and therefore -2 is said to be coordinate of point B. Now we are going to write coordinates of some points. Suppose I told you coordinate of point Q. 2 is coordinate of point Q. -3 is coordinate of point C. That means the number associated with that point is said to be the coordinate of that point. Now we are going to learn how you are going to find out the distance between any two points. Suppose you are going to tell that find distance PR. When you are going to write it, D for distance, then round bracket, and the 2 points in between them, comma is given. The meaning of this is distance of point QR. For this, to find the distance between P and R, you are going to find first of all the coordinates of point P and R. First of all, coordinate of point P one is coordinate of point P and 3 is coordinate of point R. Then determine that which coordinate is greater. Here 3 is greater than 1. Now to find the distance between any 2 points, you are going to take the difference between the greater coordinate minus the smaller coordinate. That means 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. Observe on number line. Here also you will get the distance between point P and R. It is exactly 2 units, and therefore distance PR is equal to 2 units. Now similarly we will take another example. Now we will take the coordinates negative such that you can understood how you are going to find out distance for the negative coordinates also. Suppose you are going to find out distance AC. Now -1 is the coordinate of point A and -3 is coordinate of point C. Now here we know that as we go on left side from 0, the value of the number decreases, and therefore -1 is greater than -3, and therefore to find distance AC, now greater coordinate is -1, minus of -3. We all know that minus minus gets plus. Therefore, -1 plus 3, your final answer is 2. Now, we have taken two different examples how to find the distance between any 2 points. Now, from these two examples, we can determine that the distance between any 2 points is always positive. If P, Q and R are 3 distinct points, then we are having 3 different conditions for points P, Q and R. First of all, P, Q and R. That means Q is in between the points P and R. Second, P is in between the points Q and R. Or third condition, point R is in between the points P and Q. That means we are having 3 different possibilities. Here we are going to define betweenness with the help of distance. Consider the first figure. If distance PR is equal to distance PQ plus distance QR, then we can say that points PQR are collinear and P dash Q dash R. We can define betweenness with the help of this notation, that is P dash Q dash R means point Q is in between points P and R. Now students, let us solve first practice set which is given in our textbook. Each and every solved example is also important. Now practice set 1.1. Question number 1. Find the distances with the help of the number line given below. I am not going to draw number line. When you are solving this example, draw this from your textbook. I'm going to take the first example. Here, in the first example, they have given that find distance BE. Now, I'm going to write first of all coordinates of point B and E. 2 is coordinate of point B and coordinate of point E is 5. 5 is coordinate of point E. Now we are going to determine the order relation between these two. 5 is greater than 2 and therefore distance BE is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate, that is 5 minus 2. Your final answer is 3. We will take second example also. Here the points are given JA, distance JA. Now coordinate of point J is minus 2. Minus 2 is coordinate of point J and coordinate of point A is 1. 1 is coordinate of point A. Now therefore distance JA is equal to, now here 1 is greater than minus 2, 1 minus minus 2 and therefore it is 1 plus 2. Final answer is equal to 3. We have taken first two examples from question number 1. Now we are going to solve question number 2. If the coordinate of A is x and that of B is y, then find distance AB. Coordinate of A is x. First example from question number 2, example number 1. That is, coordinate of point A, 1 is coordinate of point A and 7 is coordinate of point B. And therefore distance AB is equal to, now in between 7 and 1, 7 is greater. 7 minus 1, your final answer is 6. Now second example from the same question. X is equal to 6 and y is equal to minus 2. 6 is coordinate of A and minus 2 is coordinate of point B. Therefore, distance AB is equal to, 6 is greater, 6 minus minus 2, that is 6 plus 2, and we know that 6 plus 2 is 8. Now we will complete next questions in next lecture.